JP's crying with laughter. Do you want to get educated on some amazing graduation designs? Eloise is back and she shows us how to make these centerpieces and this. Stay tuned. Hello, Greg from Balloon Market here, and welcome to BMTV. And as you can see, she's back. Eloise, hello.
Hello.
Okay. Did somebody send you for a long stand? Oh, hello, welcome back.
Thank you.
So we're going to use this long stand.
We
So
are.
It's not very long at the moment, but it does go longer.
It
Available at balloonmarket.co.uk. But what are we going to do?
We
Tell me
are
what we're
going
doing.
to make a little graduation display.
Ooh.
Yes, so quite simple, quite straightforward.
Quite fancy though,
Yeah.
because there's a completed one over there. We won't tell anybody.
We won't, it's a surprise.
Okay.
So we have got various balloons. So these are 12-inch and they are sized down to, I think, 6.5.
Okay.
So I'm just going to literally pop this on and, oh, I said it.
There you are, pop again.
And I'm just going to twist those balloons round and then just push it down a bit.
Okay.
So fairly simple, fairly straightforward. Next one. I actually don't know how big these are sized to because I did it on my hand pump. But
About
just,
that size.
yeah, slightly bigger. And again, just twisting those and pushing it down just so it looks all compact and nice.
Yep.
And then we're going to pop this one on. Same technique, so just wrap it round like so. And then your last one, these slightly smaller, as you can see. And just wrap that on round. So just to make it look a little bit more fancy, we are going to add a graduation balloon. So I will just wrap my 260 around the valve there and tie it off.
Where can you get that balloon?
Balloon Market, funnily enough.
.co.uk. Gets a bit tiring after a while.
So I'm just going to wrap it around these balloons. The stand is moving slightly, but it's okay. We'll move it back in a moment.
It doesn't really matter, does it? You can put, you've not put tape on it, but you can put tape or whatever you want.
Adjust it as needed. So I'm just going to try and level that up a bit. Okay, and then I'm just going to get my scissors. Where did they go?
You did have them a minute ago.
I did have them a minute ago, but I lose my scissors.
We actually said,
Oh,
have you got scissors? And you said they're right
Got
here.
them.
Okay.
Honestly, I need like a scissor necklace or something.
You know, you can get one of the little, so they're
that's
always there.
That's what I need, because
That's
I'm
what they
forever
need.
losing it. And now,
You know who sells them?
Balloonmarket.
Balloonmarket.co.uk, yeah.
So next, we're just going to add a little bit of, I don't know, dazzle
Bit of dazzle.
onto the base here. So I've just inflated my 260 and we're going to just tie that in to these balloons here.
Would you ever cover this? Would you cover it with a 260?
Yeah, or previously I've spent a long old time wrapping ribbon around
Yeah.
it
Oh, right,
just
okay.
to cover it. But yeah, I think, yeah, I guess yeah.
But you're not going to do that today,
But
are
I'm
you?
not going to do
You're
that,
going to do
no.
something different, aren't you?
I am going to do some pearls around it. And I just think it looks quite nice little detail.
Yeah. You like your pearls?
I do. They make everything look better, don't you agree?
I think so.
So just keeping on doing the pearls. And as I'm doing the pearls, I'm just wrapping it around.
Do you put pearls on everything?
No,
Oh, okay.
not everything. I didn't know if that was a trick question.
No, it wasn't. I was just interested.
Oh, okay. No. No, I don't think so.
There's no right or wrong answer.
It depends on the theme, I guess. Sometimes I add some leaves instead.
Oh.
Oh, I know. Like to mix it up here. Right, so when I think there is enough pearls, I'm just going to wrap that bit in to one of my 5 inches. Come and dump. And then we will just deflate this 260 and just tie it to make sure it's not going to deflate anywhere. And then I will just wrap that around my other 5-inch balloons. And as easy as that, you've got yourself a graduation
Ta-da!
display. Ta-da!
Very simple.
Very
Classic
simple.
gold and black. You can have a play around with it. Get it exactly as you want it. So you say you've done these with knot lamps before?
Yes,
Or whatever
I
the
have.
new IKEA lamp is called?
Yeah, I have, yeah. And it just, I think sometimes that goes quite well because you can obviously hide the base, it being black. But
Yeah.
I use these oak tree stands a lot as well. A lot in my displays. So
Yeah.
great for bubble balloons and things.
Okay, well, thank you very much
No
for
problem.
that. There's not anything more, is there? Are we
There
done?
is.
There's more, everybody. Oh my word, what are we going to do?
We are going to make a graduation hat.
Oh, I'm going to put this down.
So, as you can see here, I have got link balloons that are crisscrossed over.
Which link balloons have you got? The K-links?
K-links, yeah. I used them recently and I love them, so thought I'd give them another go. So
Okay.
they're 6-inch K-links.
Yep.
And I put them in pairs and I've tied them, and so there's 8 in total.
Okay.
And I'm just going to put this to one side. And what I did to achieve this effect is to literally just crisscross them over. So you don't crisscross every one,
No,
you do
every other one.
one.
Yeah. This is such a clever technique and a great way to build walls and things like that really quickly.
Yes, definitely. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then we're just going to attach that to this. And so we will do that by tying these bits together. Although I thought I was ahead of myself and I've chopped some bits off, so let's try this side. Let's get it straight again. Okay, we go again.
So what was wrong with this side? You chopped a bit of the balloon off?
Yeah, I've tried to make the outside neat, and so I've chopped some of the necks
I
off
see,
to
okay.
neaten it up. But obviously, I need the necks to.
So it was just on
hide
the
it.
wrong side?
Yeah, just on the one side. I left this side. There was some sense left in me. So I'm just literally tying knots to secure it all together.
So is this something you've done before, or is this a new idea?
No, I've never done it before.
You've never done it before?
Never done it
Oh,
before.
my.
I know. So let's hope it
Although
goes
that's
all right.
that's fingers crossed. That's a really important thing for people to remember, though. Sometimes you've just got to play.
You
You've just got to
do.
give it a go.
You've just got to give
You
it
have
a
an
go.
idea, give it a go.
For sure, and just hope for the best. Hope that it turns out all right. But it's okay to make mistakes because that's how we learn. That's what I always think. We
Okay.
learn through making mistakes.
Doesn't
So-
sound like you're setting yourself up for success here, does it?
No, but it's
We'll
okay.
see how it goes.
Let's wait and see. It normally turns out all right, so let's see. Just tying this bit because you see here I cut this little nozzle bit off. You see?
Oh, I see.
See?
Okay.
An error that I won't make again.
A little bit fiddly.
It's all right. Right, job done. Okay, next we're just going to fill in these little gaps by simply placing our 5-inch
I can do
balloons in here.
that. What about this one here? How'd you do
Well,
that?
you do that one.
just
by,
wiggle it in?
Well, it's like sliding it over.
There you go.
Oh, you did
Hey,
it.
look at
Well
that.
done, I'm impressed. There you go.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Okay. Something very satisfying about that.
Yeah,
I like the uniformity of it.
me too. It's very aesthetically pleasing, isn't
But
it?
it's the same on both sides as well. It's
Yeah.
amazing. Okay.
Okay, so next we're going to do the hat bit of the thing, you know, of the graduation hat. So these are just link balloons once again in a row, and
Okay.
then just tie it into a circle. And then we are going to attach these together by using a 260.
I'm intrigued to
So-
see how you do this.
We just tie this one on and basically want to go to the opposite one on the opposite side and just wrap round, come back through, wrap round, come back through,
Oh, I see what
Wrap
you're doing.
round.
Okay.
come back through, and just do repeat basically.
And 1 260 will go all the way.
Yeah, should do. just, if you can reach, just tie it off. Oh, or let it go, whatever you like.
I mean, I'd probably tie it off if I was being honest with you.
Bit fiddly. Okay, and then just straighten it out so it's all sitting correctly.
Very good.
There you go.
All right.
And then we just add the next one.
Okay. Okay, so we've done that and we're going to add it to this, I'm guessing.
I'm going to give it a go. As I say, I've never done this before, so let's hope it turns out all right. I reckon that's about central, do you?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So I'm going to just use a 260 to tie it to one of the necks of the 5-inch balloons.
Yeah.
And then I'm going to just see if I can tie this one in the same way, and hopefully it will stay.
I think it will.
I think so.
I mean, it's pretty simple, isn't it, really?
Yeah. Just going to tie it a knot.
I mean, it's a big graduation hat.
It is oversized for the photos, you know? I feel like it would make a bit of a statement.
I've got a question for you.
Yeah.
If people are enjoying this content, what should they do?
They should subscribe to BMTV.
On
YouTube.
YouTube. If they're not on you, press the little bell icon and that way they will be notified every time we upload.
Oh, okay.
But if they're not on YouTube, they're watching on Facebook
Or Instagram.
or Instagram or TikTok, what should they do?
They should follow.
Eloise said it. Go
should.
do it.
Go and follow.
All right.
There you go.
Very good. So there you have your...
Graduation hat.
Shall I put it on?
Oh yeah,
Oh,
I just
sorry.
noticed a 260 hanging down, but yeah.
That's actually really cool.
But you also need a little tassel.
Need a tassel?
Yes.
Okay, put a tassel
Let's
on.
try and work a tassel. Again, never made this before. So let's give it a go. So just blow it up 2 260s.
Okay.
And then we will tie it together, I think.
I'm wondering if I turn my head really fast, would the hat stay still?
We're just going to do
Come on,
this.
JP. JP's crying with laughter. All right, so how do we put the tassel on?
Okay, so I think
Oh yeah, I see what you mean.
I'm just going to make these, I'm just going
Oh, that's
to
really good. I like that idea.
make these bits a bit tassely at the bottom. Just going to wrap another 260 around.
I should really have asked you what you were doing with those, but it was quite
Oh yeah,
easy.
sorry, it
yeah,
is.
it's you inflated 2 260s, wrap them round each other,
Yep.
and you're adding a third one on the bottom for some reason.
Because, well, it was, yeah, a third one, I guess, because I'm just going to make the bottom bit a bit more like, looking like a tassel,
Okay.
you know? So I'm just going to add another little bit here, and then it should be a full tassel.
Okay. I'm
You
very
know-
excited.
You know me, just all about the details.
I don't really know what you mean by a full tassel.
Oh,
so-
you'll see, hold
okay.
on.
All right. I like the way you just come up with something in your head and then you figure out how to make it.
Yeah, just hope for the best. Sometimes it doesn't always turn out right though, so, but most of the time it seems to work. But my fingers are stuck. Hold on. Just chop off these little ends
Why did you tie that on?
because otherwise it would have deflated.
I thought that was the end of the balloon. Was it not?
No, no,
Okay.
I still had a little bit.
Okay. All right.
So just get rid of these bits, and I am going to deflate this one because it's too small. Tie that one off. And then we're just going to
I knew you were going to do that.
wrap a 260
I knew you were
around.
going to do that. I didn't want to say anything in case you weren't there.
A bit like a broomstick.
That bit like a broomstick. I think we've done a broomstick like
Yeah,
that, using
a
that
bit like a
technique before.
broomstick. Just sort of look
Can't
a bit
remember
more
who that was with.
tassely. Okay, so
Who have we done a broomstick with? Anybody remember? I don't know. I don't know why I'm asking because I don't want to get it wrong anyway. So, oh, that's so cool.
And then let's just, do you reckon that's the middle one?
Yeah.
It is. Let's just tie that in. Just going to bend it a bit here so that it bends round.
Oh, can I put it back on?
I reckon I just need a bit of adhesive, sorry. There's none in there.
Have I put an empty here? Here. Oh no, that's. Oh no, yeah, there are. There's one. There you go.
Thanks.
I don't think we need to keep that if it's empty.
There you go.
Excellent. Can I put it on?
You can. There you go. Let me just.
Do I look clever?
I just need to chop off these little bits of the balloon that I can see. Hopefully I don't pop it in the meantime. Okay. There you go, that's a bit better.
This would be a great prop for photos and stuff.
It absolutely would be.
I feel you need a bit of a, I don't know, a background, a backdrop or something.
Possibly.
Should we do that?
Let's
should,
do
should
it.
We, should we build a backdrop?
Let's do
I
the
think we need to
backdrop.
do the clicky finger thing. I've never done the clicky finger thing. Have you done the clicky finger
I have,
thing?
but I get really confused.
Okay, it's not difficult.
Which way am I?
Okay, you're doing this. Hold on. I've never done it with a hat on, so
okay.
it might not be great. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hey, look at that. So what a perfect backdrop. I'm trying not to have this fall off my head. Perfect backdrop. We've got the shimmer wall, you've added a few balloons, you've done a lovely garland across the edge of that, and then you've attached these little fellas together with a red carpety kind of theme, haven't you?
I have.
So it'd be the perfect photo opportunity for people graduating, wouldn't it?
It
Love
would.
it, absolutely love it. Well, I've never done an outro wearing balloons like this before, but Eloise, thank you so much for that. And thank you, everybody, for watching. From myself and Eloise, see you next time. Bye.